Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to the Legal View, and here I am, Apoorva Arora. Joining us today, the legal expert, Ms. Raavi Birbal, specialized in employment law and advocate at Supreme Court of India. Could you please give an overview to our viewers about the objectives of the POSH Act and its importance?
Under the Indian Constitution, Article 14 says that state has to provide equality of law to all citizens, and there cannot be any denial of equal protection of laws on the grounds of gender. Article 51AE, which is in the nature of fundamental duties, enjoins duty upon every citizen not to do any act which is derogatory to the modesty of a woman. To achieve objective of all these acts was the POSH Act promulgated for safe, happy, healthy working space for the woman.
How does the POSH Act apply on cases, and what steps can be taken in response to the complaint?
So what happens under POSH Act is that an internal complaint committee has to be there in every organization, which should be having one senior lady member as the chairperson, also known as the presiding officer. Then there have also to be 2 more members from the employees who are committed to the cause of women, and there has to be an outside member. There has to be a full-fledged inquiry conducted. There has to be a charge sheet given, reply called for, principles of natural justice, odi alterum partem that we say have to be complied with, complete opportunity of leading evidence, cross-examination has to be given, and depending upon all these evidences, cross-examinations, a report is prepared by the inquiry committee. Before taking action, a show cause notice has to be given to the male employee, stipulating the penalty in that show cause notice and giving him a copy of the report, and depending upon the reply of the male employee, an action can be taken by the disciplinary authority. Also, Madras High Court has clarified that if it's a case of personal feuds, misunderstandings, fights between a male-female, that is not sexual harassment, that is part and parcel of the work. So these are some of the important dictums for prevention of sexual harassment over the years since 1997 till 2023.
But what happens if a false complaint is filed under the POSH Act?
POSH Act in section 14 says that if there is a malicious complaint by a woman employee, even she has to be punished. It has to be proved beyond all reasonable doubt by the male employee that actually the complaint was malicious.
Keep watching Legal View.